Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February 18, 2022. Let's talk about AMC. I'm going to give you all the AMC stock prediction. Hopefully I am. If I don't see a play here, I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to put on a box to show you where I'm looking for the price to go in AMC. Now, before I crack all this down, before I break it down to show you what I'm seeing on the charts, make sure you hit the like button, share the video. Also, subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on whenever I upload my price predictions on this particular channel. Now, let's talk. I did a video for AMC on February 8th. Still playing the weakness into the market, right? I originally did this price prediction on the 15th of January, looking for the price to go down. Clearly, you guys can see that AMC has done that. Came back through on February 8th, still playing in weakness. Now, the market in AMC has been elevated since that time, and maybe we might want to just take the bag, right? Maybe we might just want to take this profitability around 8%, especially if we still, especially if we're still looking for the market in AMC to go up. We might just need to take that 8% and be happy, shake it off, move on to the next opportunity. What do you think? Because if I don't see anything here in AMC, right, you guys can see as I zoom out of this price chart that the market it has this very wide area that we can play, right? We're still trading within these two lines in AMC. So we can still see the price go to $24, $27, right? That's not out the picture. That's not even out the question that we can't see price go up. But we can still see price come down to 16 and 12. So let's get a fresh start, right? We had this price prediction for a while, right there on the 14th, 15th of January. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. Getting out the market now will be around 8.5%. Cool, we take it, no issues, no qualms. Let's see what we got next though, right? Because clearly, I know you've seen a lot of tweets. I know you've seen a lot of videos talking about the moass, talking about the short squeeze. It's a broken record right about now, because you guys can clearly tell that this particular stock is in a down trend, right? And every day, seemingly, there's some type of tweet, there's some type of video coming out saying that we're going to get the short squeeze, saying that the shorts haven't covered, but price always go down, right? You guys can see it. This is the result of the market. I don't think a lot of people consider that the market is literally the brain of all of the intellectuals who participate in AMC. This is where everyone congregates and place their bets on a chart. So obviously, the overall consensus of all of these Wall Street analysts, they don't like AMC. Yes, retail investors love AMC because there's this notion that there's going to be a massive short squeeze to occur, but they have no influence on price. You guys can see it, because if the retail had massive influence on stock prices, this would not be the result. We would have seen another short squeeze occurring to the market, just like what happened back here in May, back here in January. We haven't seen that since, right? And then I know I'm going to get a comment on this video, yeah, but it's being manipulated. Well, if that's the case, if you know that the price in AMC is manipulated, then why didn't you short the stock? If you knew that the market is manipulated for AMC, you should have won massively profitable in this space, because you knew that this was going to happen. If the price is manipulated, that means you should tell where price is going to go. But so many other people think that it's going to be the opposite. You need to follow the chart if you understand that it's being manipulated in order for you to win. All right, so let's see. If I don't see anything here, I'm not going to do a play. I want you all to check this out right here, okay? You guys can see back here on January 27th, you see this? Right there is the issue, okay? This is it. This is where the initial squeeze started back in 2021. Look at that. You guys may think that these things happen by circumstance or coincidence. It doesn't. The market here in AMC is finding this lid right here. We saw the price in AMC open. Zoom in so you all can see it right here. On the 27th of January, the price opened at $20.34. All right. Look what happened after the 27th of January. What happened to the price? It fell. Right. That is why this market currently in today's time is finding issues breaking above it right now. It's because that is where sellers are at. Yes, the sellers are there. It's not a coincidence. So check this out. I'm going to give you something that no one else is going to show you. You guys can tell that right here on May 26, 2021 is where the market in AMC actually broke that restriction area of $20. We need to see that again right there. We need to see this again in order for us to know that the price in AMC is strong here. Okay, look at this. Look at the time now. Right? Look at it. We need to see price break $20. We need to see it. If the price in AMC cannot break $20, I might even say like 22. We understand that this market is still getting hit with some weakness. All right. Now, one thing that I would tell you on this particular chart now of what we're getting is that we're not necessarily seeing the weakness that we saw back in January. You guys can see immediately once we opened at $20 back here on the ending of January, price came down immediately. We saw volatility. We saw high volume. We're not necessarily getting that this go around. Look at this one. We're not getting that. The market is hugging right there around $20. So what do you think it means? Yeah, to me, I think the price is trying to go up. Now check this out. Earnings is here. Okay. Earnings is here. This could be the start of us seeing the price go down. So this, you really don't have much time to allow this price to go up. The market may be hugging right there around $20 because it knows that on this earnings report, price is going to crash. So the market is trying to keep the price elevated above $20 so that they can offload their positions into the market because they know what's coming ahead. These markets, they know. They'll just understand that they're not just guessing as to where they're thinking price to go. They have very strategic analytical abilities at their disposal that lets them know what's going to happen to the future. They do this on a probabilistic chance. So they're trying to offload their positions of AMC right now. While everyone else in AMC is seeing the price go up, they're thinking that this is a buying opportunity, while the market, the ones who are in position, who knows that this earnings report is coming up on the 3rd of March, they're like, hey, I need to go ahead and let my shares off because I know that once this earnings report is released, price is going to go down substantially. They're already knowing that. So now check this out. Let me see this on the hourly time frame for AMC real quick. You guys can tell that we're still pretty much in a pretty good trend. The market doesn't look massively weak. Okay. I don't like it though. What I'm gonna have to do in this particular video is I'm gonna have to kick back and sit back and wait. Yeah. Because if I see price break above this line, maybe around $22, I know what to expect then. But as long as price is showing rejection right there around $20, you tell me, you're going to come in and buy it, or you're going to come in and wait? Or are you going to expect the price to go down? Let me see this on the 3-hour chart. Because yeah, the market here is still giving us some weakness in AMC. This is the 9-hour, 13-hour chart. Okay. Look at this on the 2-day. Look at this on the 3-day. What do you think? Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait. The market is still in an undecisive mode right now. It's hard to determine which one is actually winning out to the market. The buyers and the sellers, whoever controls this market in AMC, is doing a fantastic job to bring the buyers and the sellers together right here around this $20 level. Now, whichever one breaks, meaning if price breaks above this line, $20, $22, we know price is going to continue to go up in AMC, right? and possibly come up here to around 26. Let's say price continues to get rejected like it is right now in AMC. Then I'm going to continue to play the weakness. So I'm just going to kick back and chill out for a little bit in AMC. I want you all to understand that every market is not playable. Until we get a more definitive assessment as to what price is trying to do, we're going to kick back and let the market play on its own. You don't have to come in and play with everyone on the playground if you don't want to play with them, until they give you an advantage as to, okay, which team is most likely going to win in this game. Right now, I can't really tell. I'll just kick back to see which one is going to win. All right. Now, that's me. Okay. You have your own thoughts, your own mentality. You have your own premise as to where you think the price in AMC is going to go. Hey, guess what? I got the comment section open. You guys can drop a comment real quick and tell everyone in our group, on our team, as to what you think the price is going to do in AMC. Now, the moment that I see the market in AMC either break this to the upside or continue to show rejection, guess what? I'll do another video to show you what's going to happen next. All right, so it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.